Hello everyone, welcome to the You Try It channel. This is Amy Tong. Today, I want to share my favorite summer recipe with you. This drink is so refreshing and it's the perfect way to stay hydrated in the hot summer. So follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this watermelon Aqua Fresca. First, we will need 6 cups of watermelon, the juice of 1 lime, a 1/4 cup of fresh mint, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla salt, 1/2 cup of sugar-free simple syrup. Blend it up all together until it's nice and smooth. Pass the watermelon mixture through a mash for a finer texture. Then, transfer it to a large pitcher. Add in a few slices of limes. Last but not least, 12 ounces of sparkling water. Chill it in the fridge until ready to serve. When you're ready to enjoy, pour your watermelon Aqua Fresca over a glass of ice. Add a watermelon paper straw and a watermelon and lime garnish to make it a fiesta. These are totally optional, but highly recommended. Now we are ready for the party. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and will give this recipe a try real soon. Before you go, please remember to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And remember, eat, drink, and be happy. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.